Hey guys, Lance from Big Fork. I am making 2-ingredient deviled eggs. Perfect for the holidays, perfect for parties. 2 ingredients, Gangster sauce and hard-boiled eggs. You can add salt, you can add vinegar to your boiling water. Sometimes they look like this, and sometimes they look like this. The thing is, the key is actually finding old eggs. And that's the key to an easy peel. Okay, I want to show you this fun little trick. If you don't want to get your knife dirty, just cut it slightly around like that, and then you can peel this off like this. Look at that. Yolk in there. So, do this to all 1 dozen eggs like that, and you will have yourself 12 dozen yolks. All right, we got the last one here. As you can see, the other nice thing about taking a whole yolk out is that the egg white is really nice and clean. Now I got 12 yolks in here, and then all I take, so Gangster sauce. I take equal parts Chicago sauce, which is the 7 toppings of Chicago hot dog united together under 1 lid, and Jardiniere, one of Chicago's greatest ingredients. I blend those up together, equal parts. Then I add mayo and truffle oil. That's all Gangster sauce is. So what I take is, this is a 1/3 of a cup of Gangster sauce. That is my only other ingredient. I might add a little salt beyond that, but you can do this in a food processor, but you know what? You can also just do it with a fork. Smash it up until it's combined. Okay. All right, I add a little salt. These eggs love salt. Then, it's gonna be easy. This is my piping bag. Just 1 clean Ziploc bag. Cut off the corner of it. Open it up. Grab spatula. You can put this, and just got it here like this. In the bag, all of it, in the bag. Just like that. Okay. Now, zip it up, let the air out, force it down to that corner that's open. Now you got all your open eggs here. Really easy peasy here. Just 1 by 1. Pipe it out. It's easy as that. Pipe it out. Easy as that. Pipe it out. Easy as that. Okay, here we go. So, then just align your deviled eggs on your plate, and you're good to go. You can also garnish it. I sometimes like to use just the ends of the celery, like the celery leaves chopped up. But if you also have little bagel, everything bagel seasoning, this is a nice little addition. Just sprinkle it over the top. And there you go. One of the easiest deviled egg recipes you could ever imagine. Remember, 2 ingredients, hard-boiled eggs and Gangster sauce. Out.
Cheers. Oh, it's really good. I'd give it a 10 out of 10. Go purchase Gangster sauce.
Why do they talk like gangsters, but they don't move like gangsters?